Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's SolidWorks tutorial, we are going to design this modern geometric pen stand from scratch. We will learn how to create the base shape, generate the diamond pattern, apply deformation features, and finish the model with fillets for a clean and professional look. So whether you are a beginner or an intermediate SolidWorks user, this tutorial will help you understand several useful modeling techniques. So let's get started. Click on File, New, Part, OK. Select the top plane, Sketch. Select the center line, set the orientation to horizontal, infinite length and place it at the origin. Now click on 3-point arc, point 1, point 2, point 3. OK. Now click on Smart Dimension and for the radius value, enter 45 mm. OK. Now select midpoint line and draw a horizontal line here. Okay. Now select the arc and make it a construction geometry. Okay. Now select the center point of the arc and the origin and coincide them. Now select the arc and the horizontal line and click on equal curve length. Okay. Now go to features, click on extruded boss base. Enter 100 mm here and for the thickness enter 2 mm. Change the direction. For this also flip the direction and click OK. Now select this face, sketch. Now select this face and click on convert entities and change the display style to hidden lines removed. Okay. So now select center line, orientation horizontal, and now start making horizontal lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, now click on Smart Dimension. This gap is 18 mm. This gap is 17 mm. This gap is 16. Enter 13. 10. 8. 6 mm. Select center line one more time, horizontal, and make a center line here. Okay. Orientation vertical, make a center line here. Okay. Now select Smart Dimension and this gap is 6 mm. Okay. Now click on Tools, Sketch Tools and click on Segment. 5. Okay. Select this line. Again Tools, Sketch Tools, Segment and click on this line. Okay. Tools, Sketch Tools, Segment, this line. And one last time. Select this line. Okay. Now click on Smart Dimension and find the gap between this point and this line. Okay, it is 23.56. Now select this line and this edge. 23.56 divided by 2. Okay, now point, make a point here, a point here, here, and here. Okay, now click on linear sketch pattern, enter 23.56, number of instances 6, entities to pattern, select these points one by one. Okay, select this point and this line, coincide. Okay, select this point and this line, coincide. Okay, so now click on linear sketch pattern. For the direction, select this edge, distance 6 plus 6, 12, entities to pattern, select this point, this point, this one, this one, this point, and this point, and reverse the direction. Click OK. Now select line and start joining these points. Okay, so our diamond pattern is done here. The next step is go to extruded boss base, and it's time to give it the 3D structure. Select contours, select them one by one. Enter the draft angle value 55 degree and click OK. Now make the sketch visible. Select the sketch, click on extruded boss base again, and now we would be selecting the remaining contours one by one. Enter the draft angle value 55 degree, OK, and change the display style to shaded with edges. OK. Now click on this sketch and hide this. OK. Sketch 1, show. So we have our diamond sketch ready here. So now the next step is to deform it. So click on deform, initial curve, select this line, and here select this arc, select this, uniform, accuracy maximum, match curve direction. Click OK. Now we have a half body ready here. Select this sketch and hide this. Okay. Now select move copy bodies. Select this body. Rotate about. Select this origin and enter value 180 degree. Click OK. Now we have two solid bodies. So select combine. Select these two bodies and click add. Okay. Now select this bottom face, sketch, convert entities and select this face. Okay. Select this inner circle and delete it. Okay. Go to features, extruded boss base, 10 and change the direction. Click OK. Now select fillet. Now we have to smooth the sharp edges. 10. Okay. Select this face. Click OK. Select fillet again. Change the fillet radius to 1 mm. Select this inner edge and click OK. And let's apply an appearance to visualize the final product. Appearance. Here. Painted. Sprayed. Let's spray paint. Click OK. Change the display style to shaded. Okay, and that's it. We have successfully designed this modern geometric pen stand in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.